Hello everyone, I'm Tyler, a CCNA mentor in the CBT Nuggets learner community. I'm going to show you how to get started with your lab gear. Now that you've purchased all the routers, switches, and console cables, what are you supposed to do? We're going to give you a jump start so you can start learning, not struggling. So here is my rollover cable, that's the serial port, and there's the RJ45 jack end of it on the rollover cable. Reminds me of a regular patch cable. So here's my USB to serial adapter. So this is the serial port end of it, and the other end of it is a USB port. So that connects to the computer. So what you'll need to do is connect the USB to serial adapter to the rollover cable. So just slide them together, make sure nice and snug. And then what you'll want to do is look for the console port on your Cisco device. Usually it's on the back, but it might be in the front. You can see it's labeled console, and plug in the rollover cable, the RJ45 jack, into the console port. I'm grabbing my laptop, so you'll want to plug in the USB to serial adapter to your computer. So plug it into your USB port. There you go. Just slide it in there and connect it. There you go. It's that easy. Now you have your Cisco device connected to your computer via USB. So probably before you do that, you'll want to install the drivers from the manufacturer. Make sure you have them installed, or it might automatically install it, depending on the USB to serial adapter that you purchase. So once you have the drivers installed and you plug it in, make sure that you have these port settings. So you should have 9600 for the bits per second, data bits 8, parity none, stop bits 1, flow control none. And also take note of your COM port. So in this instance, for me, mine is COM6, but yours might be different. It might be COM1, COM2, COM3. You'll need to write that down in order to connect to it. So you'll need to specify what COM port you're connecting to. So the last thing you'll need is a little program. So I recommend using PuTTY. It's a free open source tool that most people use, and it works pretty well. It allows you to connect via SSH, Telnet, or to a COM port. So let's go ahead and display that. So let me pull up my desktop real quick, and let's open up PuTTY real quick. So let's open up PuTTY, bring this over here, and put in your COM port. So mine is COM6, yours might be different. Leave the speed to this defaults, serial. So we're going to open. So you might not see anything. You are connected, but unless the Cisco device spits out some data, you're not going to see anything. So what you'll want to do is probably hit the Enter key on your keyboard a couple of times, and there you go. You're connected to your Cisco device on your computer, which is super cool. So that's all we have for this video. If you're still stuck or can't really get it to work, please reach out to me via the direct message link on the left side of your Slack window. And if you're interested in working with the mentor for CCNA, please message me.